Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can add background music on your Canva video. So without further ado, let's start. First, open your Canva. After that, select a video. And then you can see at the bottom left corner of your screen, the add button. Just tap on that. You can now see here the different options. And at the bottom, just slide it, and there you'll see apps. Just tap on that. Now you can see audio. Just click on that. From here, as you can see, there are lots of songs and audio that you can use to your video. There are also different genres that you can choose from. For example, pop, sad, calm, and then summer, rock, and more different options. Just tap on the audio that you want. The music is now added to your video. You can adjust it from here. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.